Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Got a little bit of a different one, but the same. So we got customer provided the bottom section. I don't know where he got it, but he got it and asked if we can put it in, and we said, of course, bring it over. So we popped in a new section, got a new lock. You can see here and there, we kind of did some repairs. I'll show you inside here. This is a rather tall one, taller than normal. Ugh, get up here. Oh. Goes up like butter. Got new cables, new bottoms. You can see here we got hinges. We replaced a couple rollers here and there. There's a new roller up there. New hinge, new hinge, new hinge, new hinge. New hinge, new hinge. So need a little love here on this one. New roller up there. So if you have sections and you get them and you want us to pop it in for you, we do that too. Bring this baby down. Look at that, one hand. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna go flying off this truck. Windy today. Ugh! There we go. So if you got a bottom section, you want us to put it in, call us up. We'll do it for you. 630-271-9343. Same day service too. And thank you. These guys, you want to get some stuff done from them, event services, give them a call. Thank you very much. Be blessed. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.